Beautiful at a glance. Comfort is everywhere. Exquisite front face. Full width separated windscreen. Three-dimensional double row LED headlights. Bright lights. Large view electric rear view mirror. Make the reverse easy. Attractive, fashionable rear face. Pneumatic baggage door. Through type, easy open and close. Compartment at the rear provides more luggage space. The body ground clearance is 450 millimeters. Better trafficability. Newly upgraded driver cabin. Ample space, easy driving control. Equipped with intelligent technology on-board computer. Warm and comfortable interior space. Equipped with luxury seats, more comfortable and safe. Bigger space luggage rack, practical and convenient to use. Built-in front TV, freely retractable. Refrigerator brings more travel pleasure for passenger seats. More spacious space. Multi-leaf spring suspension system. Stable chassis. Safer. With ABS system, the safety is guaranteed. High-strength body and chassis structure. Durable for lifetime use. Openable front wall makes maintenance convenient and easily accessible. Better view for passengers. Explore the unknown world. The beauty never ends. Through professional test and verification, the reliable vehicle perform a higher quality public travel. Travel with luckiness. Move freely.